Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys my real grey Hi-V Gundam and the Hyper Mega Bazooka launcher. I got them from Gundam Hangar back in October last year, but I was told to post this video when the shipment arrived. But I guess international shipments are a lot slower than before. That's why I waited this long to show you guys. Anyways, I have to give a shout out to Gundam Hangar, a Toronto-based online hobby store. If you also live in Toronto GTA area, they offer free meetup to pick up in various locations. But if you live elsewhere, they also ship within Canada with a reasonable flat rate shipping fee. Check out the website for more information. This Hi-V Gundam was such a big hit when it first came out, and I remember all my friends were looking to get one. The new real grade kits are definitely worth buying. The undergate runners would save you so much time from sanding, and the nut marks are mostly hidden. This is one of my favorite kit and I have no complaint about it. The kit feels very solid and the colors just look perfect for street build. The funnels on the back have changed into a linear color coding of blue and light purple instead of gradation. I didn't expect the kit to be able to stand on its own because of its heaviness, but by attaching the tank to the ground, it could stand without any problem. The cockpit can be opened. The shoulder armor can be expanded. The saber is deployed from the left arm. I painted the blue with NASCAR color cobalt violet, and the white I kept the original color and did a matte coating. Now let's look at this Hyper Mega Bazooka launcher for this Hi-V Gundam. This bazooka doesn't come with too many parts, but as you can see, it is huge. Based on Gundam Wiki, this gigantic bazooka launcher is the most powerful weapon that draws power from the battleship engines through an energy cable, and have the power to destroy a battleship in one shot. I don't have any water decals for this, so I will use the original stickers. This bazooka comes with 2 action bases, and there is an energy tube connected on the left side and 4 coolant cylinders on the right side that I have painted red. So I thought I could plug this clear blue figurized effect to the funnels to make them look like they are flying out, but somehow they just come with all these round adapters. And the base of the funnels are square or rectangle. Let me know in the comment below if you know how to connect them to the funnels. Hope you liked my video today, and if you do, please hit the like button, and I hope you can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my future builds. See you next time!